All right, spring is around the corner, and we are getting a fresh start to the new season with podcast host Andryanna Gonko. Great to have you here.
Hi, Louie.
Great to have you here.
We're almost there. Like,
we are
it's
this close.
Right around the corner.
And you know what? I noticed I was opening my windows yesterday, trying to let some fresh air in to get. It was a little cold. I'm not gonna lie, but it is that fresh spring cleaning we're all looking for. How can we start? Where should we start?
I think we're ready. I think once March hits, we're like, let's do it. I'm dressed in my most spring outfit to like hopefully bring on the spring vibes.
We matched today.
Yeah. I love it. And so I think we all just want to get cleaning. We want to do that spring clean, but it can be overwhelming. And where do we start? And we want to tackle everything. So I would first start with cleaning the things that clean for us.
Okay.
I know in my home, I have 3 boys, so the washing machine is going around the clock.
Playing
the dishwasher,
hockey too,
they're doing all the things.
Yeah.
And so we want to clean the washing machine and the dishwasher, right? Because they build up lime scale and residues and odors and mineral deposits. And so this is where a fresh appliance cleaners come in. They are the #1 appliance cleaners in Canada for the washing machine and the dishwasher. And it makes it so simple. All you do is you pop in the tablet and then it does the cleaning for you, which is so wonderful. I mean, I think anything that's going to make spring cleaning easier is great. You can use that on a monthly basis to keep things fresh, and it's going to allow your appliances to last longer and perform better, which is really great.
And with septic safe tablets too, right?
Exactly.
That's the huge part. You look at all those chemicals you're putting in, you want to make sure that your septic tank is going to be able to survive it if you're on one, right?
Exactly. And you know, the spring cleaning, it can feel daunting. I get it. Like there's like 7 mini sticks on my floor at all times. And so I would just suggest we start easy, we start small. And Fresh actually has a great idea. It's the 2-hour clean start challenge. And all we're going to do is we're going to pop the tablet into our washing machine dishwasher. If it's on the clean cycle, we're going to get about 2 hours of time. We can really just hone in and focus and like complete those tasks that we really want to get done during that 2-hour period. So head to afresh.ca. You're going to be able to find all the information on that and join that 2-hour clean start challenge.
All right, very cool. All right, once our house is feeling cleaner, let's say we want to get a new fresh spring look. What do you have in mind?
Yes, once spring hits, I'm ready. I want everything to be new and fresh. And so I'm going to head to HomeSense because that's where they have absolutely everything. I always start with the declutter to get rid of the things that we're not going to need from winter. I live in Northern Ontario. There's a lot of extra layers we can remove. And then we head to HomeSense for those really stylish, the trendy items, the high quality decor at unbeatable prices.
Yeah, so this one is really cool. This is a multi-purpose storage bin. What is it? It's got just about everything you need in here.
It's got all of the sizes, got all of the items, and this is just a handful of items that is sprinkled that I'm bringing home and is going to help me refresh my space. I took some plaid pillows from my house, the wintry, popped in this floral, this fresh pop of color. It's just beautiful, right?
And speaking of fresh, you can put some nice fresh flowers in those.
Flowers, stems, greenery, there's faux greenery, there's anything, so many possibilities, unbeatable prices, all of those deals that you just can't resist, so definitely head to your local HomeSense store.
All right, if we're talking about spring, we're talking about well-being, we're thinking of ourselves a little bit. What if we wanted to put our bodies through a little bit of a spring refresh?
That's right. It's not just about the spaces, right? We want to do a little reset ourselves.
Absolutely.
And the easiest way to do this as part of a healthy lifestyle reset is with a probiotic. Okay, we're talking about gut health, and Orange Naturals is going to support us. This is a Canadian company, Canadian made, and they've got a variety of formulations, all the way from infancy to childhood, all the way to adulthood. They've got everyone covered in the whole family. A few that I brought here, the Rapid Restore. That's going to help you if you've been sick on antibiotics, just stressful or transitional periods. It comes in a really easy capsule form. The Everyday Probiotic, that's just going to help us on that everyday basis as part of our wellness journey. And then we've got the probiotic for kids, which is in a powder format, so it's easy to add to items for kids.
Yeah, they don't even need to know they're taking it, right?
That's right. You can find these at Shoppers Drug Mart, Rexall stores, head to your local pharmacy. I love to support Canadian-made products.
All right, Andryanna, where can people find more information about you? Where can we find your podcast?
Yes, the juggle is real because it truly is, and you can get it wherever you listen.
I love a great podcast pun. Andryanna, you got some really great stuff here. You've got me thinking spring cleaning mode. I might have to go home and do a bit of a deep clean on some of my things because it's feeling fresher, fresher this time.
Keep it simple, Louie. We don't need the life overhaul, but it's going to be great. We're going to feel so much better.
Simple is the great advice. Andryanna, thank you so much for making the time this morning.
Thanks for having me.
All right, we're going to put all her information up on our website as well, chch.com/morninglive.